Hiya! My name is Elaine and this is our safe place. Hiya! Good evening. I made this video to express what I'm feeling right now. Let's talk about the process of healing and moving on. Yan. Alam ko exactly how it feels. Yung tipong you give everything, your love, your time, your loyalty, your whole heart sa taong minahal mo ng sobra. Pero in the end, nawala pa rin siya. At iniwan kang puno ng tanong at sobrang sakit. Ako, aminin ko, no? Ilang gabi akong umiiyak, asking myself, what did I do wrong? Kulang ba ako? Bakit nangyari to sa akin? And honestly, madalas, I'm blaming myself for everything that happened. But, ito sa process na to, no? Ito sa mga dinadaanan ko ngayon, I learned this very important truth. It is not my fault. Ginawa ko naman makakaya ko, diba? I love truly, and that is already enough. Ang pagkawala niya is not because I am not enough, but simply because he was not really meant for me. So, dun magsisimula yung acceptance. And let me tell you something. It is okay to grieve. It is important to mourn properly. Kapag kasi nawala yung taong mahal mo, normal lang naman na masaktan, di ba? Umiyak, malungkot. And grieving is not a sign of weakness. Hindi ka weak, hindi tayo weak. It is proof that your love was real and deep. Ito kasi yung paraan ng puso natin to release the pain, to accept what happened, and slowly let go of the past. And remember, never skip the process of healing. Huwag mong piliting maging okay agad. Huwag natin piliting maging okay agad. Huwag natin lalaktawan ng sakit. Be in the pain, or be with the pain. Mananatil ang sugat sa loob mo pag hindi mo ginawa yun. True healing takes time. It passes through pain, through tears, through acceptance, and through rising up again. And always remember, let me leave you this beautiful promise from the Bible. It's from Psalm chapter 147 verse 3. Sabi dito, He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. God sees your pain. God sees my pain. God sees our tears. And He will surely restore us. Hayaan mong sumakit ngayon. Hayaan mong umiyak ka. It's okay. Pero, never forget to love yourself through it all. Yan yung natutunan ko sa journey na to to love myself again. Sinasabi, to love yourself? I-love ko naman yung self ko. I eat what I want. I buy things that I need or I want. Ganyan. Hindi lang naman yun ang qualification or yung proof na love yourself. Ibang side, mas mataas na level, ibang dimension ng self-love. Kasi darating din ng araw, magigising ka na lang at marirealize mo na hindi na masakit. Ready ka na ulit to live and love beautifully. And alam mo, hindi rin rason na maghahanap ka ng bago or mag-rush ka into another relationship. Kasi, naiintindihan ko to na sa bawat paghihintay, sa bawat pagtitiis, sa pagbibuild mo na ng sarili mo na may darating na someone na magiging suited for you. Hindi compatible sabi na suited for you, ganyan. And please do remember, you are not alone. We are not alone. We are healing together, me and you, di ba? So, yun lang. I hope yung mga sinabi ko ay somehow nakapagpabukas ng isip mo. Baka ito yung kailangan mo right now. And I am happy na maging isa sa makatulong sa process na to. And I'm also in the process of healing din kasi and moving on or moving forward. Yun lang. So, take care. See you later. Bye-bye.